Sir,
Oh, yes.
we don't have CG peers, so
Okay,
can
what?
you get us the software?
Okay, I'll just send it now only. I have CG pairs.
और सर आप बोल रहे थे नया वाला जो ZBrush का सॉफ्टवेयर है वो भी आप बता देंगे.
अच्छा ठीक है, उसका भी मैं टोरेंट डाउनलोड करके दे देता हूँ अभी.
ठीक है सर.
So speed tree we have. You can see speed tree have a lot of versions. So it's for indie games. Then they have Windows version, cinema version. So we can use any one of them. All works. All are kind of same only. So I'm using cinema edition. Or if you want, there's an Unreal edition. There is like there's so many editions are there. So speed tree game edition. This is basic most probably for games and all. So 8.3, okay, 8.4. I never tried this. Okay. And cinema, this thing. ZBrush, application, filter, ZBrush 2021.
So these are all torrents.
These are all torrents, yes. So download, desktop.
Sir, how do we get into the site? Like I tried, but
You have to create a login. If you don't have a login, you cannot do it.
okay.
And their registration opens on first of every month and 15th of every month, just for one day. Okay, why it's not? Okay, speed tree.
Sir, but can you get into this? Will they give us a registration even if we don't upload software?
You don't have to upload anything.
Okay.
Okay, why it's not downloading? Just give me a second. You maybe something with the, where is my Chrome? Just give me a second. Okay, downloaded. Speed tree and Pixelogic. These two you wanted. So in chat, I'm sending both of them. Done.
Okay, sir.
Sent. Now you can just simply download it directly.
Thank you so much, sir.
So this is the like super easy, we can do it. So we were doing something else. So like speed tree, okay, speed tree, we're doing something. So like I can create this thing. Foliage I can add, and everything is unwrapped. So suppose I want to increase the count or decrease the count, everything I can do with all these properties. Like number, absolute number, I can increase, decrease.
Sir, but इस पे जो alpha map लगेगा, like वो सब sir, मतलब texture and all, leaves and all.
So by default they have already have a texture, but वो हर चीज tree पे suit नहीं करता. So what you can do is like in Bridge you have all these textures, right?
Yes, sir.
Atlas map. All these Atlas maps are there, so you can just simply crop that section and bring it here. Okay, मैं करके दिखा देता हूँ. Easiest way will be.
So what about optimizing this? Like it's showing 4,950 tries.
So what you have to do is you have to, under this you can see there is one section called says segments. So you can like right now 4,000 tree like foliage. That's like really high. I can reduce it. Like right now leaves are like shape. All the planes are small. If I create a huge plane, and instead of using a one leaf alpha, I can use a one branch alpha. right? So for all the
Yes, sir.
tip or close-up shot, I can use single alpha, or for rest of the thing, you can see I have 1, 2, 3 leaves. So for one section, I can use like this entire bunch. Let's do it. So just give me a second. There is the option. Where is my scale size? I scaled it, right? Scaled it. And for this, I want to apply a branch alpha. So for this, I'll go and open my folder in speed 3, I guess, past. Have this, and speed 3 also have an entire library. Okay, just give me a second. I'll give you the library also. Not here. Speed 3 is the library. No, not this one. Where is the library? But it's an Unreal collection. This have some error. I used it already. It always crashes this thing. Okay, there is a library. I don't know. Like I'm not able to find it. It's oh, I have full application. Speed 3.
So there was one that said almost all speed 3 models.
Like these are basically, I'm not sure, they are like
तो
library.
वो ना speed 3 मॉडल लाइब्रेरी था वहाँ पे नीचे, उसी के नीचे सर गेम डेव के साइड में.
Oh, this one, हाँ मिल गया. So entire library download. Okay, this have some issue. I need to open the Chrome again.
So library is a separate application. We need to
No, no, no,
install
no,
it.
no. Just this thing.
We'll download and copy it.
No, library. It's a folder basically. Folder, and you have browser also. Windows browser and all. Click on and open this thing, and it will, you can browse through this entire library. Let's see. Bridge and close. So you can see it opens like this. Now you can see all the trees here as a 3D preview.
Okay, sir.
So all these trees are already there, presets.
Mm-hmm.
So and we can create this like super easy. And okay, let's see. I want this one. So I'll go to my folder. So this entire library, you can see I have all the like preview and plus foliage and everything. So these are, what is this? Some Photoshop file. You can select branch of leaves and all this thing. I can connect and create it. Let's see. Like I have this kind of branches. Okay, let's use this one only. So I don't want to modify this speed tree. My leaves, you can see like really huge. And if I want to hide something, I can just select and press H, hide it. Hide it. So I have this thing, and I feel it's like really big. So I can reduce the parameter, and like it's all are like kind of same size. So I can just click on this. So big to small, like naturally the how it is. Select this now because there is no material. So I can select the leaf and there's no material. I'll go to material section. I can click on this plus. Now it will ask like where from where to pick up the material or texture. So I can use native Windows browser, Control V. It will open this folder. I just have to select only one map, any one of them. Select this, open. It will read it automatically everything and generate. But you can see sometime like diffuse and normal, it's red, but I need opacity also. So where is my opacity? Here. And make sure select that map. Okay. Sorry, what happened? Super fast software. Okay, that recording is like it's converting it. That's what I guess, I believe. Finally. So this is spec, normal spec. Where is my opacity? I guess in alpha channel. Same thing. Alpha channel of diffuse map only and channel alpha. Yeah. See, become transparent. Now just simply drag and drop it here. And density is really low, so I'll just unhide everything. H again, H again. And all the leaves, I can apply the same material if I want. And for this bark, plus and select something to see, I have bark and all. Select any one of them, open, create this material, and drag, drop here. Done. I can reduce the poly count, increase the poly count. These are like a bunch of leaves. I can use single leaves. I can use like a nice high little texture from Megascan. I can do that. I guess I have nice. So like it's like texture what you're using based on that will generate a detail. So creating this is super easy, super simple, and like there's so many things are there. Like if I select this and there's something called gravity. See, I can modify things.
Okay. So record out there.
Uh,
So if we are making the leaves texture on Substance, then what format should we export it in?
TGA for games everything should be TGA Targa.
TGA, but sir, वो जो जैसे for Unreal we export it in Unreal 4 packed.
It's like that format is Unreal 4 pack, but this thing extra like material texture format is Targa.
Targa is मैं वो समझ गई sir, but वो जो मतलब sir like for normal texturing we export it in like hard surface and so वो जो formats आते हैं ना there's a drop down while exporting.
So इसमें there is no इसमें it cannot support roughness. Okay, there is no roughness. So what you can do is you can connect your roughness to specular and invert it. Like if you connect anything, suppose I have a spec this one, and there's something called invert. It will work perfectly. And then when you export this to as a FBX or something, it will automatically load in Unreal.
Okay.
Import material, export mesh, everything is there. It's like it's super easy software. I'll explain this thing once like we start our foliage. This is like super easy software. Everything have a controller. You just have to click that and generate it. That's it.
So we can generate vines also.
Everything. Like suppose this. Okay, let's see. Delete. And this also deleted. And suppose I need a vine. So just give me see. You can see there's a hole cap. I just need to extend it. Just give me a second. Extend any. So it's done. Okay, now suppose I want to generate a vine or something, I can definitely do it.
So, but what if we need to generate vines across other surfaces?
That is also we
Like
can do.
suppose on the house or the farm.
Yes, we can do it. Like suppose we have a surface. Let me create a surface. I close this, close this. I'll just create something, then we'll generate. Okay, I have bridge also. I could have like simply downloaded something.
So can this software generate flowers also?
Flower, that model you have to create and then place it there. You can do placement, you can do it.
So placement inside SpeedTree.
Inside SpeedTree, it will randomly populate the entire scene. Okay, let's see. So, okay, like suppose I have this one crop.
Sir, आपने बोला it will randomly populate the entire scene.
No, we have control. We have controls. Definitely, we have control. So let's see. I have this one, and I want to generate a vine or ivy or something around it. Download. Correct.
So the other one is downloaded.
Like by mistake. Okay, done. Right click, go to files, and here I can see I have LOD1 and LOD4. So for this, I'll use this LOD4 only, like low poly model, LOD4. Okay. Copy the path, open your this thing. Okay, let's do a new blank empty this thing. So I need to generate this IV or this thing around my model, right? So what I have to go, because there's a section called mesh, then click on plus and LOD4, and now move. You can see the model here, and now it's asking like what do you want to do with this? Grow things off it, or like around it, or just place it here, or the populate and use this as a like suppose you have flower and you want to like populate your scene, so you can select this one in that case. So I want to generate things around it, so click this one. Okay, here is my model, you can see. And because Unreal files are, all these models are physical scale, and this is like centimeters, so you can see it's really huge. So don't need to worry. Right click, deselect that, right click, add geometry, add a trunk. So you can see trunk will generate where always in the center. So if I want, I can increase the radius so that
So
I can.
how do we move it around?
What you want to move it?
So the trunk, if we want to move.
Click on the trunk, and there's something called, because this is for this. There is a we can move it. Where it is, the position. See, XYZ rotation and everything is there. So suppose I want to generate this thing here. So length, right now I want to control. So let's see, where is my length? Or I can just simply click on this and increase the length.
Okay, sir.
Like quite big. And now it's like random, right? So it's not snapping on the surface. So I want to snap on the surface. What I have to do is, you can see under force mesh, it's showing 1. And if I go to, you can see under force, it's showing that mesh number. If I click it, see, and then increase the intensity. You start generating. and then right click, add big branches. See, generate all the branches, but there is again I have to switch on this thing on branches also. Branches length I can reduce.
So if we wanted to go around the thing,
That it will, you can do it. Force. This force also. You can see wraps around this surface. Length I'm just reducing because it's getting heavy. So to like reduce the scale of this model and then bring it. So it will be like really easy and nice, but this is like really huge. So 128 feet like this thing. So then just add force and create this thing. Branches if I want to scale them. Where is the length? Length I can increase of the branch. Like number of branches I can increase, decrease. Trunk. If I suppose I want multiple branches, I can do that as well. You see, I can select this and move it also, and will always wrap around the surface. I guess I have a like preset here. This one. See. It makes sure scale of the mesh is like a small. It's not huge in centimeters, and then bring it like in like 6 centimeter, 5 centimeter like that. Okay, two of
okay, sir.
Sonam and Christina is joining. Okay. So then bring it and then create this thing. So it's like super easy, simple. And even if there is some intersection or something, you can see it generates texture, your mesh and everything. Just simply like export this model, push it to max, and like if there is any intersection, fix it. Like, it's super easy because you're like most of things are saved, right?
Yes, sir. So just for using speed tree on any model, we need to scale it down. Otherwise,
Scale
the
it
scale
down.
is
Yes. So scale it down. So otherwise, it will be it uses centimeters. So create something in centimeters, or like make sure like you open that model into max and reduce the scale, then bring it. It works
okay.
perfectly.
So
It's super easy. This is like super easy, and there's you can see under samples also they have tons of samples. Tons of samples. You can like generate anything. Like suppose I want to create this palm. I can suppose I have some specific like shape. So I can modify things. Length I can reduce, increase, then start angle. See, I can change. So everything can be we can modify everything here. So it become very easy. And this is like super easy software, super easy software. And if you zoom in and see, it looks pretty decent.
So now I understand. आप जब बोल रहे थे कि foliage like it's not to work.
Like foliage, so we can like just like create it like quickly, super easily, because most of the gaming company they use speed tree, like movie production gaming. All of them they switch to speed tree, and there are a lot tons of presets available in Vegas can bridge also. So then why you
Yeah.
have to create it, right? Until
Yeah.
unless you're creating something conceptual or something really specific, or some like some specific shape you want, a specific design you want to create, then you have to create it. Otherwise if you just randomly place it.
Yes, sir. सर एक और डाउट है लास्ट सर अनरियल में
Hmm.
in my scene I'm thinking I'll keep a cliff like a rocky cliff on
Okay.
side of that there's a river
Hmm.
and on side of that there's the farm so
Okay.
sir the cliff should I model it with terrain maker or should I like create it in Max?
Do it in Unreal only, use landscape.
Okay sir.
Like so I have this landscape, let me download
Yes.
a height this thing, terrain.
Sir,
Yes, like terrain, I just googled terrain height map images, and like any of them, like whichever you like. Or if you want to modify, you can create a black and white map also. And so this looks kind of nice, this looks nice. It's very small, large. Okay, save. PNG desktop, save it. Like suppose I want to create terrain here itself, so I'll go to my modes, landscape, and I'll switch to my edit layer and select that map from file, desktop, select the image, and it will show me a preview and import. It's a huge terrain, so let me increase speed.
Sir,
Mhm.
also for the jellyfish जो fish animation है sir I
Mhm.
saw a project on ArtStation उसमें like she has used those small fishes that move in bunches
Mhm.
she had used one fish in the particle system like the whole bunch was like just a particle system so
Uh,
can we edit the
I
like
shared these particles now with fish.
okay
I sent a
sir
mail with all those particles and all.
ah yes sir
In that, a fish is there.
okay sir
sir, sir, in my reference जो है
Hmm.
तो उसमें जो लैंडस्केप है सर वो भी टेरेन मेकर में बनाना पड़ेगा or do
हाँ
I
हाँ
need to
हाँ नहीं उसको
combine it?
terrain में you can do it, or like like easiest way is like you can do it in landscape, or you can what you can do is like to all those model mountains, you can create those mountains very low poly, because it's like really far, right? Very low poly, and then
No, sir, not about those ones, sir. The one which is near to my house, like वो जो घर को माउंटेन के बीच में बनाना पड़ेगा, right? And
हाँ
sir, also the road and the pavement and everything, जो कि flat है on that curvy mountainy
हम्म
area.
हम्म
How do I make that, sir? Like, do I sculpt it in Terrain Maker or?
like that will be easy and highly optimized. Do it in terrain maker, this thing landscape only, Otherwise, it will
Hmm.
become super heavy, because this kind of geometry will become super heavy. You can see still everything works so smoothly. But if you create this thing with the help of like model it in Max or Zebra somewhere, it will become super heavy.
Yes, sir.
Or what you can do, one more thing, this that would be nice. Generate that terrain near to the house, only that section,
Hmm.
and rest you can generate with the help of this landscape.
Landscape. Okay, sir.
So then we'll combine both the things, that will be like really optimized.
Hmm.
So like I can place it like this, and now my scene is like I have this rocky surface. Let's about rotate. Let's see,
So this is generated with the height map.
height map.
So my scene is quite vast, so that will not affect the.
No. So if so, make sure you use a landscape. Like suppose I want to make a huge
Yes.
landscape. Landscape, no files, create a new, and you can see there's something called fill wall. Click this, it will generate the entire thing. Create, and you can see it's a huge terrain. And now if I whatever I want to create, I can do it very easily. First, we'll go to select and check placement. Okay, angle snapping is on. Switched off all snapping. Modify landscape, and to push it down. Shift. And if you want a really high detail landscape, you can always use a displacement map. And like rest everything I can generate with the texture, like landscape material we have created right previously. If you want, I can show it again.
Yes, sir.
So landscape material you can create, and if you want, there's a lot of presets available. And where is my landscape material? Mm, yeah, this one. Landscape material assignment. It's taking a little time to load. You can generate this, like okay, by the time it generates, I can create those mountains, landscape, paint, use the brush size, sculpt, use the brush size, maximum. Okay, it's loading. all these mountains and everything you can create with the help of landscape, and it's generating slowly. This material, I believe, have landscape paint layers. Right? Yes. There is no layer. Strange. Right? Oh, this is a different material. Arey yaar, my bad. Oh, it's the wrong material I have assigned. Oh, landscape, this one. Exit this first and select this, and now apply this one. That's compiling again. Now it's compiling again. If I want to make it like flat, I can do everything. Landscape. See, it's generating. It's generated. See, entire terrain. And I can see the tiling is really huge. Let's make it little flat. Flat. This is like way too big. Create those things very easily. And open this material over there. I haven't. I should have used a tile. I need to create an instance. Like basically, like scale it down and then fix everything. So that's what we need to fix it.
So we need to add a tiling to that material, right?
Yes, that tiling is not there. I guess some other
Okay.
purpose had created this thing. So like this is like super. We can do it easily. I guess I have another landscape, but it's an instance. This is a bit heavy. Like landscape materials are usually a little heavy. So that is something you can anyways, you can do it. This one also not a landscape material. I mean, it's a landscape material, but there is no tiling. That for tiling, I have to add that parameter here, multiply, and that tile is not there. Create this thing and then apply it. And if you like use all this, like go to this thing, what to call it,
Bridge.
no bridge, it's marketplace, Unreal Marketplace. There are a lot of new assets or new for projects, or lots of projects are available, pre-made assets. So with those also, if you want, you can download some the entire asset, and with you will get all these materials which are already there.
Mm.
Material. So I have, if you see, a lot of materials are
सर
there.
ये
They are
कहाँ पे मिलेंगे?
ये Unreal Marketplace में. We
Okay,
go
sir.
to marketplace. Like basically to download all those free this thing projects. So you can see
Yes, sir.
marketplace, maybe you have all these assets. So free, mega scan, free for the month or any. This is like
सर बट मटेरियल्स अलग से तो नहीं मिलते हैं इसमें?
नहीं, मटेरियल अलग से नहीं मिलेगा, ओनली इसमें क्या बोलते हैं, पूरा प्रोजेक्ट डाउनलोड होगा, उस प्रोजेक्ट में सारा मटेरियल रहेगा.
ओके सर.
You can download that project and then then copy that entire content into your project. Then you can
Okay,
use
sir.
it. I have to download
सर
this.
आपने जो बोला था कि कीप ऑल योर प्रोजेक्ट्स इन अ सिंगल प्रोजेक्ट फाइल सो दैट एसेट्स मूव नहीं करने पड़ेंगे.
Yes, वही देखो, I can see मेरा जो प्रोजेक्ट है, it's a huge, there's so many folders. और जितना भी
Yes,
सब,
sir.
you can see सब folders जितने ही मैंने बनाए हैं,
Yes.
सब environment अलग अलग है. So you can create only one and then use it easily. What is this? अच्छा, तो वही है. Okay, light bake करना है इसका. Okay. That's what like